World Environmental Day is celebrated annually on 5th June and is the United States' principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment. It was first held in 1974. It is a platform for raising awareness on environmental issues such as marine pollution, human overpopulation, global warming, sustainable consumption, and wildlife crime. World Environment Day is a global platform for public outreach with participation from over 143 countries annually. Each year, the program has provided a theme and forum for businesses, non government organizations, communities, government, and celebrities to advocate environmental causes. The theme of World Environmental Day 2021 is the restoration of the nature. We cannot turn back time, but we can grow trees, green our cities, rewild our garden, change our diet, and clean up rivers and coasts. We are the generation that can make peace with nature. Let's get active, not anxious. Let's be bold, not timid. The World Environmental Day 2021 is hosted by Pakistan. On this occasion, UN Decade of Ecosystem Restoration will also be launched. So let's join hand together to save our earth, to save ourselves, and to save our resources in order to have a healthy and green life. Plant trees as much as you can to make your environment pollution free and make it healthy for your kids. Thank you for watching.